Hello, what's up guys, it's Tekosaur and we are back again with another dedicated video for the S25 Ultra accessories. So here we have two Pitaka tactile woven cases. This one is called Milky Way Galaxy and this one is called Over the Horizon. The names also sounds familiar if you have a Galaxy phone. The reason I chose those blue ones is because I have the titanium silver blue color variant for S25 Ultra. So you can see that it's kind of silent blue. It's not really that saturated, not really that evident, not really that strong. However, it feels blue at times in different light conditions or the way you tilt it. So that's why I chose those blue covers that hopefully will go well with this color. So let's check them out. So I'll start with Over the Horizon. Very nice unboxing. MagSafe ring is covered by special coating and made transparent like amber, so it's visible but won't scratch the back of your phone. So you can see if we take the cover that it has indeed a layer on top of it, like this way it wouldn't scratch your phone, the back of the phone. So nice design, nice innovation. It's called MagEZ Case 6. Here on top, like when you touch it, it feels rough. Here, it feels a little bit softer. So there is a variation in terms of roughness from top to the bottom. Nice way to integrate this kind of variation. Just feel it creates a little bit of different touch whenever you hold your phone. So nice way. Here we have the branding, Pitaka, very nice logo. This one is the new one, in fact. It has also nice protection for the camera lenses. You can see there is like an extrusion. It's higher than camera lenses. So let's try to apply it now. Just see everything we are talking about. Very easy way to install it. And as I said, this frame is going to protect the camera lenses. As you can see, it's higher than camera lenses. So therefore, in case it falls, it gets most impact in this frame. However, here I feel that those lenses are higher than this frame. So only those three cameras are going to be protected very well, while those ones, I don't feel that they are going to be very protected, as you can see, because they are higher than the cover, as you can see. Like here, they don't have a protection frame like those three lenses. At the bottom, we have the charging port, and there is a little bit of opening area for speakers. It's protected well, and we have for the S Pen, a little bit of frame around it. Let's try to remove it. It's quite simple to remove it, no issues at all. And here it's opened, so this way it's going to create a very nice looking and very minimalist looking. Here on top we have four the microphones. However, something that I just noticed now that you can see on top, we have a little bit on this corner, on every corner in fact, it's higher than the front screen. So this way it's going to take the front impact in case it falls. So that's nice. It's the first time that I see someone implement such a way to do this. So it's not always the sides in the same way. It's not equal. Just the corners are taller than the sides. As you can see, this way it's going to get the impact on the corners in case it falls. So that's a nice way to protect it without having to raise all the lip area to be higher than the front screen. So that's a nice way, and it feels quite light. Like it's very light thanks to its aramid fiber. So very nice looking cover. Let's try some MagSafe accessories now. I have this phone ring holder by Binks that I reviewed before, and honestly it goes very nice with this cover as well. So they create a very nice combination in terms of coloring. It matched very well. This one has a stand, can work as a kickstand and also as a phone link holder. You can see. So it wouldn't fall no matter what. So overall, I really like this cover by Pitaka. Looks very nice, very beautiful with a silver blue. So I need to mention that if you go to Pita Studio, you can also scroll down and download some wallpapers that go nice with usually their covers. So here they have for watch and also they have for phone. Lot of designs. So I try to find something. Maybe I try this ones that I really like. So let's try this one. A nice combination. You have a wallpaper now and a beautiful case. So very nice looking case by Pitaka. So that was over the horizon case. Now we'll try the second one we have, which is Milky Way Galaxy. It's woven from aramid fiber and it's called tactile woven case for S25 Ultra. So it has a different design. It has like this the stars. You can see a little bit different. Very, very nice looking again. So it has the same MagEZ Case 6. Also, it has this film again. This way it won't scratch the back of your phone. It has the same corner protection. On every corner, it's higher. This way it's going to protect from falls. And for camera lenses, here we also have for 3 camera lenses, perfect protection. And this one has the same kind of roughness across all of it. So as I feel, if I compare them, this one has equal roughness from top to bottom across every part of it. It has the same kind of roughness. While this one is rough at the top, you can see it's very rough here and it gets quite soft at the bottom. So there is a variation here from top to bottom, while here we have this equal roughness in all of it. That's how I feel. So in terms of on the back, they look equal, the same. They have no difference. It's the same MagEZ Case 6 and the same weight. It looks very, very nice, to be honest. Provide good protection, as I said here on those 3 camera lenses. You can see it's going to provide excellent protection. However, here for those 2 camera lenses, it doesn't have a frame and those lenses are higher than the cover. So you can see it's not going to provide a very good protection here on this part. For flashlight, it's going to do this. However, for those 2 camera lenses, I don't see, they seem higher than the case. And overall, I like the design, like the start from here all the way to the side. It creates a very nice looking and unique aesthetics to it, a unique style. Cuts for S Pen, quite easy to remove. For speaker, and we have for charging port, it's a little bit opened, also for this microphone. For unlock button, it's also open, as well as for volume up and down. At the top, we have the cut for microphones. And now let's try it with this magnetic phone ring holder. It wouldn't fall no matter what. So quite strong magnetic also here. As I said, I really like this corner protection that they have implemented in this new versions. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. Here we had 2 Pitaka covers, one over the horizon and second one Milky Way Galaxy, that went very, very nice with the S25 Ultra silver blue titanium. To be honest, they are very beautiful. In my opinion, those covers are very, very gorgeous. and nice looking and very light. So that was it for this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more related phone accessories, also for different phones other than S25 Ultra in the future. So stay tuned, and also leave a comment below of your favorite brand for phone accessories and which one you are currently using for your phone. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.